Yo, what's up mga katolo? Frank Tolls Vlog PTV is here, no? So, in behalf of CS Ilay, kung Kalyong Yard 1, no? So, I wanna greet, so, happy birthday ni Ma'am Christy Jane Garcia, no? So, magmalipay, no? Taka sa imong adlang natawhan kay imuha ng birthday, no? So, stay beautiful and wherever you are there in this planet Earth, no? So, usa lagi mahatag na ko ng gift nimo. Ako lang i-declare nga ugma is a non-working holiday. Once again, happy birthday.
Hey! Birthday din ako kauban sa tao rin nga si Christy Garcia. I wanted to greet a happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come and good health. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Christy Garcia. Enjoy your special day and many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Christy. Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy. Mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto.
Happy birthday, Christy. More power to come. Hatagan kag taas ng kinabuhi.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy! Mga onda! Sabay kaon da! Mga me!
Birthday, Ma'am Christy. Akong idol sa handling. An kaayo, wala ibong.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy!
Rapper sa
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy! Ang litso na, Abia!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy.
Dagan na pa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy!
Kana.
Hi Ma'am Christy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Stay panglibre.
Hey Ma'am, happy birthday. Sana matupad lahat ng wish sa life mo. More blessings to come. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy. Sana mabuhay ka ng matagal. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Christy.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Christy.
Hi, Christy! Birthday mo, Christy! Oh, happy birthday! Thank you! Happy birthday, guys! Christy! Undan! Shout out! Shout out, yeah! Birthday din ni Moron. Antong misinyo. Mamakal mo. Happy birthday, Christy! Sana mapusog mo kami.
Happy birthday, Christy. More birthday to come and good health for you. More saltik with you.